Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Gazelle Centeno from Philippines. I am 34 years old. I have 3 brothers. I am married and have 2 kids. I am a high school graduate. I have experience as domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 1 month old and 5 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids and their needs and other household, like cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundry, gardening, and others. I applied in Hong Kong to support our family needs and to save money for the future of our children. To you, my future employer, please hire me and I promise I serve you as my own family. Thank you and God bless.